Hi guys, tonight I want to show you my hair routine that I do once a week with this hair brand called youll. I tested their products for the past few months. I nerd out about it like a maniac and I tried all the products because I really want to make it clear to you guys I'm never going to do a video about a brand if I don't believe in it 1000%. So I'm super excited to talk about it with you for a few reasons. They have brought it back to basics and are using things that are naturally derived and good for the environment while also making your hair so much stronger, shinier and hydrated. And I love that I know how clean these products are because they don't use any harsh sulfates, artificial dyes, phthalate or silicones. So I'm going to show you the treatment I do once a week. I'm kind of a healthy scalp obsessed person. As I always say, you need a healthy scalp to have healthy hair. So that's really one of the reasons that attracted me the most to youll because they have really cool products for that. But the first thing that I'm going to do right now is to remove my makeup that I have on, and I'm going to apply serum before a light oil phase that I'm using now because my skin is super dry. And then I'm going to brush my hair as I'm going to apply the Despair Repair Conditioning Mask and some serum on my scalp. When I'm all cleaned up and I brush my hair, once a week I'm going to do this treatment for my hair. I'm super obsessed with the scalp to be healthy because I have very thin hair, so anything that can help my hair to really breathe in the roots, it's going to bring more volume and it's going to bring overall this effect that I have more hair. So I'm kind of like obsessed with it. So once a week, the night before the next morning I'm going to wash my hair. I do this treatment. I wash my hair twice a week only. I used to wash it like every other day like crazy, and since I changed it to twice a week, my hair is actually way less greasy and more clean, so it's much healthier for me. And once a week, the night before, I'm going to do this treatment. I really was super excited when I saw that youll was doing a scalp revival product that you put on your roots and it's gonna treat it. It has tea tree in it, so it's basically gonna detoxify your scalp, which is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm basically gonna put the products on my roots, so I'm gonna start in the center. So I apply it really on the roots and then I grab another layer of my hair, doing like this. It's super convenient to apply. At the end, I'm really going to massage it to make sure it's really on my roots. Okay, this is done. I'm just gonna massage. When you're doing these treatments and you're not single, at least you want to look like, you know, not like a crazy girl. I try to style my hair with the treatment on. So right now, this is the part that is the less like crazy looking, but I'm gonna apply all over the length this mask, and that's really gonna moisturize my hair really well. I used to use products that had silicone in it back a very long time ago, I don't even remember when, and my hair started to look very dull, and you know when it's been a long time you're using something, you don't know what's causing it. And one day this hairstylist told me, are you using, what shampoo and conditioner are you using? And I told him the brand. He was like, oh my god, it's full of silicone. I was like, oh, that's weird, because I start to use it and my hair looks amazing, but then now they look terrible. So yeah, because the silicone builds up on your hair and it's gonna recover and coat your hair and it's gonna look heavy and dull. Then basically put me on a detox where I stopped using this product and use like silicone free product for a while. It took months for my hair to be completely back to normal and look healthy again. So when I saw this brand that had no silicone, for me that was the biggest thing, because that's gonna change. Like, I'm traumatized by silicone. I'm never gonna use silicone ever again. So this conditioner is amazing because it's a mask tool. I'm basically like grabbing a big chunk of the product. I'm gonna put it all over the length of my hair. Because the other thing with thin hair, like I said before, like it gets damaged so fast, so you need to take care of it. There's no secret. I always say I'm super effortless in my makeup look, but with my skincare and my hair care, I am not. I'm full of efforts. And I'm gonna make sure that I go a bit more up. So not on the roots, but I've noticed like people are scared to go a little bit high. If you don't go high, like you're gonna have like a dry looking hair up and then beautiful down. So now once I done that, like I said, I still want to look cute. I mean, I'll try. I'm just gonna do 2 braids. Also because I don't want the product to go all over my pillows. So see if you have any patience, you can do very cute look with this. I don't, so I'm just gonna go simple. Also, if you guys have a smaller rubber band, that's great. So all night it's gonna do this incredible job on my hair. The next morning I'm gonna wash my hair with this scalp shampoo with this brush that is incredible because it's basically helping me do a better job at washing my hair, but at the same time it's gonna activate the blood circulation on the scalp. It's really gonna clean it really well, so I actually love using this brush. And then after I'm gonna use the same conditioner again on my hair and rinse it all off, and you'll see it will be nice, shiny. Now I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. Morning guys! To know that all night the mask worked on my hair just put me in a good mood because of all the vitamins and nourishing oils. If you leave this in your hair overnight, it really does help to push a product further and penetrate the hair, so it'll make it stronger and more nourished over time. One thing I clearly noticed right after the first time I applied it, it makes my hair super shiny and it controls the frizz. So now I'm going to use the charcoal and coconut oil exfoliating shampoo to perfect the treatment I did all night. This is really a unique product because it infuses with charcoal to actually draw out the impurities from the scalp and hair follicle to create a neutral base that's really healthy. So I'm going to use their brush and move it around my scalp, and it feels so good. It's a perfect tool to really activate the blood circulation, and it detoxifies the scalp even more. And also this shampoo is infused with peppermint and tea tree oil, which work as an antiseptic to reduce any irritation or itchiness because it has coconut oil and pantherol in it. After that, I will finish up using the Despair Repair Conditioning Mask. I use it as my conditioner this time. This conditioner is like having a smoothie in the morning, but for your hair. It uses superfood and vitamins like algae, avocado, biotin to replenish damaged hair, and it smells pretty good because it's infused with natural oils like rosehip, lemon, and orange peel oil. Now I'm going to put on some clothes, and then I'm going to prep my skin before makeup. So I'm going to apply a quick serum and a bit of cream, and then as usual concealer, blush, a touch of blush, a bit of mascara, and then I'm going to brush my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna dry my hair. First thing I want to do is like dry the roots because I have very thin hair, so I don't want my hair to be too flat. And then I do my bangs. Okay, so I'm gonna attach my hair so I can do my bangs. So I always do the same technique for my hair. I'm just gonna blow dry that. Then the second layer. And then all the layers together. If I'm not doing this, I'm gonna have like a line here because I'm never gonna be able to reach the roots of all my hair. And then I'm gonna do what I always do so I don't have like round bangs, although it's not that bad this morning. Usually I will go really round, so I do this. And then I'm gonna pinch it, grab a clip, and I'm gonna pinch this like that. So I'm sure my volume is gonna be in that shape. So then I'm gonna do my bun. If I just grab a bun here and I do that, which I do sometimes, and then I will put some heat on it, I'm gonna have the top pretty straight and then half of the hair will be curly. So what I'm trying to do here is to do a bun here and then 2 buns in the back. So I'm gonna start. And then I just do a twist. So yes, you're gonna look weird, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna do 2 buns in the back. And then I'm gonna twist until the end of the hair. So it's like a little hoop. So now I'm gonna put a bit of heat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it pretty low. Like moving. Anyway, I'm gonna wait now a few minutes that it gets a bit like cooler, and I was just thinking I'm gonna add a bit more makeup on my eyes. So I'm gonna use a brown pencil. Okay. I'm gonna remove my pinch brush volume, and I really like when it's a bit messy on the top and it's not too flat. I'm gonna take this one off first. So you see I have like a real curl. Then I want to make sure it doesn't look like I just blow dried my hair. So I'm gonna brush a little bit. Secret ingredient for shiny, healthy hair is this oil, Resarco oil. I love it because it has good ingredients, it's clean, and especially because there is no silicone. So I'm just gonna grab a little. The good thing with this product is that you don't need too much, so you're gonna keep your bottle for like really a while. And you see, as soon as I put it on, my hair looks super healthy and nice. So I usually focused on more of the bottom part, but then when I really put all the products, I'm gonna go a little bit more on the top layer of the hair, just to make sure we have the same texture everywhere. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna go on my day. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm never going to do a video where I don't believe 100% about the product, so I really recommend this one. It's safe for your hair, it's good, and what I really adore about what they do is that when you go on a website, you're going to have everything classified by texture also. So you can go with curly hair, dry hair, straight hair, and then you're going to find all the products that are best for you and how to use it. So it's so smart because me, thin hair, wavy, I can never use the same products that a curly hair, thick hair is going to use because it's going to be too heavy for me. And for somebody that has straight hair, maybe it's going to be too light. So it's a perfect way to really know exactly what you need. And the great news too is that you'll see in my caption on my YouTube, there is a discount code for you guys to have 20% off. So I think you should really go ahead and like go crazy online. Voilà, that was so nice to see you. Bye guys.